Good morning. Finally Wednesday, that is Friday. Okay? And what do we have in this morning? We have a comeback job. But don't worry, it's out of warranty, yeah? So let's check together. I haven't checked the computer. I just booked in on this morning. It's a Imac and was fixed 29 November last year, yeah? And what the problem we think it was, graphics, yeah? So let's check together. Let's check together. Let me see if I can. Okay, so hopefully you can see the date. It 29 November 2016 was the graphics, and after it was fixed, that means this computer works like over 1 year. Over 1 year for a graphic job, I have no problems. It's okay. Now you'll think it's a dodgy thing, what I'm doing with the graphics, yeah? But let me explain it. This is probably a 2011 model. On this model, the graphic card is around 350, the lowest price, 350. But usually it's selling on eBay around 450. So it's quite expensive. So let's try to do together to redo the graphic job and give him 1 more year. Yeah. Let's see what I can do here first with the space. I will go up on my GoPro. So now you can see the mess from my desk. Let's see what we can do, yeah? So we will try something like that. Well, of course I can't see the computer now. But the computer is still there, yeah? Okay, let's see. Let's plug the computer. The man said, the person, the man said he's doing lines on the screen. So I think we have to check this. This is an iMac, it's 27-inch. I'll tell you the model number in 1 second. So check on the screen, you can see the lines? Look, you have some yellow lines there. You can see them? Yeah, that's a graphic issue. It's still working, but dot lines. Okay, I will power off. Let me find another position, yeah? How can I do it? Okay, like that, maybe. So let's do it. This is a quick job. I know it looks complicated, but it's not, yeah? I'll take out the glass. I'll use just a, be careful. The glass is not very sensible, but you should be careful. Okay. Okay. So the glass is out. Don't leave prints on the glass. And we have a flying screw here. I don't know from where is this. Yeah, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's open this. That's easy, yeah? You know why it's easy? Because already I did this once and a lot of screws are missing. Yeah, that's my fault. Now, before we start, yeah, like how I said, the graphic card is very expensive. You'll think reballing is the solution. And I can tell you, I done reballing a lot. Around 2 years I done reballing. And was quite an expensive machine, you know, like infrared soldering, and we have a preheating board, and I done a lot, and they still come back. So from that point, you know, I stopped doing reballing, and I don't do reballing anymore, because actually most of the cases, not on all the cases, yeah, but most of them, the chip itself is the problem. No, you can't replace the chip. The chip, it's you probably can't find the chip, and even if you find the chip, you don't know if it's good or will be probably very expensive. Yeah. So don't waste your time with the reballing. So just think, yeah, you have a job like that, or a job like this. The reballing is long. You need hours. Based on the thing, you need hours. The job will be very expensive. This kind of job, this is a 10 minutes, 15 minutes job. You can make the customer happy, and you know, 1 year is fine. We give 3 months warranty, but this was working 1 year. So what I'm trying to do here, I try to teach you to do this job, and that way you can make the customer happy, you can be happy because you don't have too much work. And when everyone is happy, you know, based on the thing the customer come back, that means he trusts us. You know, he was happy with that price for 1 year. Probably we explain him how much is the graphic card. Okay, so let's open this one, yeah. We have a connector here. Okay. Yeah, this is a LED screen. We have another connector here, probably that's a sensor. We have the ribbon cable from the screen. That's out. LCD or LED? Probably it's LED. Yeah, it's LED screen. Okay, let's take the screen out. Yeah. Leave the screen safe on one side. Okay. And now we have the iMac here. That's the graphic card, yeah? That's the one. You see, that's the graphic card. I don't think I can show you. But anyway, on this model, yeah, let me explain it. Let me check online. Maybe I can find. Let me check online to show you exactly how is the graphic chip. The graphic chip has a shield around, yeah, and actually you cannot, you know, reheat the chip from the front like how I'm doing the graphic jobs. We done a lot, so if you check my videos, you know already how I'm doing the graphics. iMac graphics card. Okay, I will switch here. 1 second. So you see the graphic card has a shield. You see the metal shield? That's a metal shield. So actually, you cannot do this job on the way I'm doing on my video. Hitting the chip on the sides with 500 degrees. Yeah. What I'm done on this one and what I'm doing now, I will hit the chip from the back. So actually here. Yeah. And that probably will give me another year for this job. 500 degrees, full air flow, yeah. Yeah, here on the back, yeah. I know it looks dodgy, but that's the only way. You can't do nothing. That's a factory fault. So actually the chip is the problem. And no, it's no overheating. You know, the Imacs, they have big heat sinks. The chip just died because he died. It's a bad design. But keep in mind, this is 500 degrees. When you come with 500 degrees from the back and the chip now it's under pressure because it's the heat sink. And heat sinks use the springs to keep everything under the pressure there. This changed the things inside. Coming with 500 and with that pressure. I can feel the heat sink is hot. So everything is fine there. Yeah, you can feel the heat. At some point when you're doing this thing, you'll feel the heat hit your face and you know it's okay. You know, I love the iMacs. I have iMac. Actually, I have 3 iMacs at home. 3. All with Windows, yeah? So I'm iMac user. Again, I'm not an Apple fan, you know, but I'm a fan of good technology. So look on these heat sinks. Where you saw these heat sinks on different things? Look how big it is. And based on the space, yeah, through the things, yeah, the dust never gets stuck. So that's the graphics heatsink. Look here. It's huge. That's a you know a quality thing. You know, if you know how these things works, you know, on the laptops or all-in-one things. Actually, if you use 100% the processor or the graphics, uh, when the chip goes on the limit probably it's around 90, 100 degrees. They will limit they will cut down the frequency and just to cool down the chip. And then on that point, actually, you lose the computing power. Yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, let's put back the screen. You see, easy. Let's put back the connectors. Try to be honest and explain to the customer exactly the risk and the cost. Okay, we have this connector. 1 second. Yep, let's test it. Okay, still working. On. No yellow lines. Hopefully you can see. No yellow lines. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now just try to ask the customer, look, just explain him, another graphic card is around, well, you can't find a 350, trust me, it's around 400, 450. And this is a 2011, 2012 model. Just give him to choose, you can have another graphic card with 400 pounds, 450. Or you can have a quick repair with 3 months warranty, and probably will wear like around 1 year, and you can have it for how much you ask, 50, 60, 70, 80, depends how much you can ask, sorry, are some accounts here. But the job is done, okay? And this probably will work 1 more year. So you just learn how to do a graphics on the iMac. It's an easy job. How long it was? Not even a half an hour. Okay? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you later. Bye.